Hey guys, what's going on? Got a couple of new fire devices today from my dad, which are kind of showing up here. But yeah, I got a couple of new devices, a new pull station, and for the first time, a fire alarm bell. Yeah, most of my alarms are horn shows, but now I have a bell. So, you ready to see? Okay, here you go. This is the pull station. It's a standard pull station. It says pull for local fire alarm. I have no idea what the model number is. And Dad said you can't get it to reset. It says open station to reset, and I think you put a screwdriver in there or something. But yeah, that's my new pull station. Got a simplex bell. It's a 2901 bell. I can it's a 2901-9331 bell. It's 21 to 30 volts, which means I can use it on my 24 volt power supply that I use my Commander 3s on. See? Watch. Well, you can't hear it too good, but well, you'll hear it soon enough when I make a test video of it. I gotta figure out a way to reset this pull station here. Oh, and if any of you guys know what the model number of this pull station is, please tell me in the comments. So yeah, that's all the devices. That's all the new devices that I got from my dad. So I'll do a test of the simplex 2901-9331. Sorry guys, I just got these. I need to get the model number of the bell into my head. So yeah, but expect to test the bell this weekend, because today is Tuesday and I'm gonna wait till the weekend to make a test video of it. Okay guys? Alright, so thanks for watching guys.